Hey, party people! Welcome back to FACTOID. Your girl Liza's here to give you the 411 on all things trending, but with facts. Today, we're diving headfirst into the digital abyss, honey. We're talking technology gadgets, gizmos, the whole shebang. Buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to drop some seriously mind-blowing tech knowledge that'll make your brain do the cha-cha slide. Let's go! Welcome back to FACTOID, your go-to channel for mind-blowing facts and fascinating insights. Today, we're diving into the world of technology with 10 incredible facts that will absolutely blow your mind. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Okay, first up, we've got quantum computing. Now, I'm no Einstein, but this stuff is next-level genius. Imagine a computer that could solve problems in seconds, problems that would take our everyday laptops like a gazillion years to figure out. That's quantum computing, fam. It's like having a calculator that can calculate infinity, which is super helpful for things like, understanding the universe and curing diseases and stuff. We're talking major breakthroughs in medicine, AI, and even breaking those super secret codes. Shh, don't tell the hackers. This is the kind of tech that sounds like it's straight out of Star Wars. But trust me, it's real, and it's happening right now. So next time someone tries to tell you their computer is fast, just hit them with, "Oh yeah? Can it do quantum calculations?" Boom, mic drop. You know how sometimes your internet is slower than a sloth on vacation? Well, say goodbye to buffering, baby, because 5G is here to save the day. This isn't just your average internet upgrade. It's like upgrading from a tricycle to a freaking rocket ship. We're talking download speed so fast you can download a whole season of your fave show before your goldfish even finishes a lap around its bowl. But hold up, there's more. 5G isn't just about speed. It's about connecting everything around us. Imagine cities that run themselves, cars that drive themselves, bye-bye, parking, and virtual reality experiences so real, you'll forget you're wearing those goofy goggles. 5G is going to change everything, and honestly, I am living for it. AI, or artificial intelligence, sounds super scary and futuristic, but it's actually way less intimidating than you might think. In fact, you probably use AI every single day. Ever asked Siri to set an alarm or told Alexa to play your jam? Boom, that's AI in action. But hold up, it gets even cooler. AI can now create art, write music, and even write whole novels. Imagine having a robot bestie who could whip up a masterpiece whenever you want. Talk about a creative power couple. But here's the real mind blower. AI is getting so smart, it's starting to learn and think for itself. Now, I don't know about you, but that's both exciting and a little bit terrifying, right? Chapter 4, Internet of Things. Your fridge is now online. No, seriously. Okay, get this. Pretty soon, everything in your house is going to be online. Like, everything. Your fridge will be ordering groceries, your coffee maker will be brewing your morning pick-me-up before your alarm even goes off, and your toaster will probably be posting selfies on Instagram. This is the Internet of Things, or IoT for all you cool kids. It's all about connecting everyday objects to the internet. And let's be real, who doesn't want a smart refrigerator that tells you when you're running low on pizza rolls? It's like having a personal assistant for your whole house, except this assistant is invisible and lives in your walls or something. But hey, as long as it keeps the snacks coming, I'm not complaining. Chapter 5, Augmented Reality, Pokemon Go, but for everything. Remember Pokemon Go, but for everything. You know that game that had everyone running around chasing invisible creatures with their phones? Well, that, my friends, was just a taste of the amazingness that is augmented reality, or AR. Imagine putting on a pair of glasses and seeing digital information layered right on top of the real world. You could walk down the street and see reviews of restaurants pop up in front of you, or get directions to your next meeting projected onto the sidewalk. And for all you gamers out there, forget about regular old video games. AR is going to turn the whole world into your own personal playground. Get ready for a future where reality is whatever you want it to be. Chapter 6, Blockchain, not just for Bitcoin bros anymore. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Blockchain, that's just for cryptocurrency, right? Wrong! Blockchain is like the cool older sibling of Bitcoin, and it's here to shake things up in a major way. Imagine a digital ledger that's spread across a whole bunch of computers, making it virtually impossible to hack or tamper with. That's blockchain, baby! And it's not just for money anymore. We're talking about using blockchain to track food from farm to table, secure medical records, and even prevent voter fraud. It's like the ultimate security guard for the digital age. And trust me, it's gonna be huge. Okay, let's be real. Remembering passwords is the worst, but what if I told you that soon, you might not need them anymore? Introducing biometric security, the future of keeping your stuff safe and sound. Forget about those complicated passwords with a million different characters. Biometric security uses your unique biological features to verify your identity. Think fingerprint scanners, facial recognition, and even iris scanners. It's like something straight out of a spy movie. It's convenient, it's secure, and let's be real. It makes you feel kinda like a secret agent, which is always a plus. All right, let's talk about saving the planet. Renewable energy, like solar and wind power, is like the superhero of the energy world, and it's here to save us from the evil clutches of fossil fuels. We're talking about harnessing the power of the sun, wind, and water to create clean, sustainable energy that won't pollute our planet. Plus, with things like transparent solar panels and floating wind farms, renewable energy is getting cooler and more efficient by the day. So ditch those gas-guzzling cars and embrace the power of the sun, baby. Mother Earth will thank you for it. Remember when you were a kid and thought it would be super cool to have a machine that could make anything you could imagine? Well, guess what? That future is here, and it's called 3D printing. We're not just talking about printing little plastic toys anymore, people. 3D printing is being used to create everything from prosthetic limbs and customized shoes to entire houses. It's like having a real-life replicator from Star Trek, and the possibilities are pretty much endless. Need a new heart valve? Print it. Want a custom-designed dress? Print it. The future is now, y'all. Okay, last but not least, let's talk about the future of transportation autonomous vehicles. That's right, self-driving cars are no longer a thing of sci-fi movies. They're real and they're hitting the roads right now. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are leading the charge, developing cars that can drive themselves using super smart sensors and AI. Imagine a world with no traffic accidents, no more parking nightmares, and the freedom to catch up on your beauty sleep during your morning commute. It's a future that's closer than you think, and honestly, I can't wait to kick back, relax, and let my car do the driving. And there you have it. 10 incredible facts about technology that are sure to blow your mind. Which fact amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Factoid for more amazing content. See you in the next video.